In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Bitwarden folders. Bitwarden is an amazing tool for managing your passwords securely, and organizing them into folders makes it even more efficient. Whether you're new to Bitwarden or looking to refine your setup, this guide will help you get everything neatly in order. Let's get started. First, open your Bitwarden app and navigate to the main vault screen. Here, you'll see all the items you have saved. Look for the Create Folder option, which should be straightforward to find on your screen. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter the name you'd like for your new folder. Consider using descriptive names that make it easy to recognize what items you've stored there. For example, you might use names like Work, Personal, or Shopping, depending on the use case. After you've created the folder, you have the flexibility to edit it at any time. This means you can change the folder name, so feel free to update it when necessary to keep your vault organized and intuitive. Now, to make use of your newly created folder, it's time to start adding items to it. Head over to an item in your Bitwarden vault that you'd like to organize. Click on the item to open its details. Once open, there should be an option that allows you to specify which folder this item should be stored in. Choose the folder you want and save your changes. One of the great things about folders is that they let you see everything at a glance and help you find what you need without hassle. Moving on, let's explore how you can take advantage of Bitwarden's autofill capabilities. Within each item, you can add a website URL. This URL is where the username and password should be used. Add this detail to make the autofill feature even more convenient. When you visit the website in your browser, Bitwarden can recognize where the credentials are needed and fill them in for you automatically. You may also want to add some notes in the item's details. For example, jot down specifics on when or where this folder and its access should be used. This way, you'll have all pertinent information right at your fingertips whenever you need it, enhancing your productivity and security. Finally, once you have everything set up, remember to click Save to ensure your edits and additions are securely stored. And that's pretty much how you do it. Organizing your Bitwarden vault with folders makes your digital life much simpler and more secure. Don't forget, keeping your data well organized reduces the time you spend trying to find passwords, so it's well worth the effort. Remember to review your folders periodically to make sure they're still serving your needs effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!